Introducing the Royal Kludge L75, a compact 75% wireless mechanical keyboard. The unit showcased in this video comes in the night black finish, though the L75 is also available in other color variants. Inside the box, the L75 arrives with 4 extra switches, a keycap and switch puller, a USB-C cable, and the user manual. This model showcases the silent purple switches, engineered for smooth and quiet keystrokes. Additional options include the tactile beige switches and linear cream switches, each tailored to a different typing experience. The silent purple switches strike a perfect balance. They preserve the satisfying mechanical feel and characterful sound of a keyboard, but with reduced noise levels. And here is how they sound. On the back, dual-stage adjustable feet provide 2 typing angles for ergonomic flexibility, supported by non-slip pads to ensure stability during extended use. A defining feature is the touch-sensitive nameplate bearing the Royal Kludge logo. With the RK Launcher software, available both as a downloadable application and as a web-based version, this innovative surface can be programmed with macros, shortcuts, or custom commands. Connectivity is tri-mode, offering seamless switching between 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0 with multi-device support, and wired USB-C for maximum stability. On the left side, 5 dedicated macro keys, M1 through M5, can be customized to optimize workflows, gaming, or creative tasks. In the upper left corner, a multifunctional volume knob allows for precise audio control, with instant mute available through a single press. With its hot swappable PCB, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, customization becomes effortless. Built with a gasket-mounted structure and 5 layers of dampening, the L75 minimizes vibration while enhancing stability and comfort. Powering the keyboard is a massive 8000 mAh battery, capable of up to 700 hours of use with RGB lighting off, or around 60 hours with lighting enabled. A full recharge takes approximately 16 hours, and battery status can be checked at any time using FN+ Enter. For visual customization, the L75 features south-facing RGB backlighting with 22 preset modes. With the RK Launcher, users can go further, adjusting lighting effects, creating profiles, and syncing every detail to their personal style. Additional refinements include pre-lubed switches, tune stabilizers for smoother typing, and a silencing foam layer beneath the spacebar to minimize unwanted noise and vibration. With the code BARBATECH, customers can enjoy an exclusive 10% discount at checkout, or simply follow the link in the description. A highly recommended keyboard for those who value performance, ergonomics, and design. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.